Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So, without wasting any time, let's get started on the question we have today. And the question is, Hi, I'm struggling to understand why my campaign isn't showing and how to resolve the issue. My Google Ads keywords are shown as eligible, but all of them have the same error. An ad isn't showing now. The keyword is not triggering an ad because another keyword is identical to the search term or its spell correction. How can I resolve this error? Thanks in advance. So, first of all, uh, the error which is why you are seeing this is because you have multiple set of keywords for the same or you are targeting same keywords in multiple style. Its error usually do happens due to keyword match type. For instance, if you are targeting the keyword volunteer travel and you have added volunteer travel. Now there are three phrase matches you are using and adding this keyword as. This is a broad match, this is a phrase match, and this is an exact match. I have a dedicated video on the keyword match types on my YouTube playlist. You can just check it out. But for a general now, because three keywords are actually targeting the same thing, so whenever you are going to search on your ad information, because Google is now getting confused, and which is why you are seeing this error. The keyword is not triggering an ad because and other keyword is identical to the search term. So I'm let me show you as well over here. Like you can see the image over here. Let me make it smaller one so you guys can see the error. You can see over here the second option which I'm going to show you is the keyword is not triggering any ads because another keyword was found to be a better fit for this query. Those ads may also have been rejected for other reasons. Okay, so this is your error over here. So to in order to sort this error, work with your keyword match type and do not add either of this. Just use one in one keyword to get this issue fixed and sorted. So I hope it answers your question, and in case if you need our services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach with us. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.